Today we are going to learn English. Before that, once we revise our rhyme. See, this is our rhyme stories picture talk book. Rhyme stories picture talk book. In that book, all of you open page number 6. All of you open page number 6. Okay, children, see. Now do the rhyme with action. Sandy spider spinning his web. Sandy spider spinning his web. There came an ant, dressed in red, He spun a web, to hold her tight, and gobble her up in one big bite, Again. Sandy spider spinning his web. There came an ant, dressed in red. He spun a web to hold her tight. There came an ant, and dressed in red. He spun a web to hold her tight, and gobble her up in one big bite. Again. Sandy spider, said me. Sandy spider, spinning his web, There came an ant, dressed in red, He spun a web to hold her tight, and gobble her up in one big bite. Okay, now see, look at the board. What is the date today? See, today date is 21st July 2021. Today date is 21st July 2021. Which day today? Today is Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Now we are going to learn which subject? English. Now which subject we are learning here? Now we are going to learn English. Okay. Now all of you take out your English workbook. See. This is your English workbook. See, page number 10 is your homework. Page number 10 is your homework. See here, they give the pictures. Look at the pictures and circle the correct word in each row. Cab, cat. Yes, this is the picture of cab. Now we have to round up cab. Next one, pad, pan. Yes. This is the picture of pan. Now round of pan. Rat, ram. Yes, this is the picture of rat. Now we have to round up rat. Okay, next bag and bat. Yes, this is the picture of bag. Now you have to round up bag. Dad, dam and dab. Yes, this is the picture of dam. You have to round up dam. Map, mat, man. We have to round up the spelling of map. Tag, tap, tan. Yes, this is the picture of tag. Like that you have to circle the word related to the picture. Okay, page number 10 is your homework. See, English homework in English workbook. English homework in English workbook. Page number 10. Okay, page number 10. Now see, all of you look here. Make word using the jumbled letters to name the pictures. Make word using the jumbled letter to name the pictures. Okay children, make the word using jumbo letters to name the picture. Here they give the pictures and here give the letters in jumbled. Okay, now we have to write the correct spelling. See, A-Y-M means this is the yam. Now we have to write yam spelling. G-A-T, yes, this is the picture of tag. Now we have to write tag. A-P-D, this is the wrong spelling. We have to write what is this picture? Pad. We have to write P-A-D, pad. And the next one N-C-A, yes, this is the picture of can. We have to write can spelling. Okay, N-A-B, yes, this is the picture of van. We have to write the spelling of van. A-C-P, yes, this is the picture of cap. We have to write cap. Okay, all of you open page number 11, right? Make words using the jumbled letters to name the picture. Okay, to name the picture. Okay children, they are give A-Y-M. Now we have to write the correct spelling. See what is the picture? First picture children, yes, yam. Now what is the spelling of the yam? Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. And see the second picture children, what is that picture? Yes, the second picture is called tag. Now write T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. And see the next one, A-P-D. Here they give A-P-D. And what is the picture children? Yes, pad. Now we have to write the pad spelling P-A-D. Pad. P-A-D. Pad. And see the next picture children. What is this picture? Yes, this is the picture of can. Now, what is the spelling of the can children? C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. And see the next one children. What is this picture? Yes, this is the picture of van. But here give N-A-V. Now we have to write V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Very good. And see the next one. What is this picture children? Yes, this is the picture of cap. They give A-C-P. What is the correct spelling of the cap? C-A-P. Cap. Okay, this is the spelling of the cap. Like that, you see the pictures and write the correct words. Okay, this will be right in the page number 11. English workbook, page number 11. English workbook, page number 11. Now see children, now I already announced to you, every Saturday you have test. This Saturday you have test on the topic. All of you, once open your English textbooks. Okay, yes, this is the English textbook. All of you open. Yes, page number 4 and 5 is for read page number 4 and 5. These two pages you have test on these two pages. What are that? Am and adverbs. Say D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. Say with me, D-A-M, dam. Next, J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. Y-A-M, yam. Y-A-M, yam. Dam, jam, yam, and ram. These are the am words. Now see the adverbs. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. L-A-D, lad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. P-A-D, pad. D-A-D, dad. S-A-D, sad. L-A-D, lad. P-A-D, pad. These are the adverbs. Adverbs. Now see. Now adverbs. Adverbs. C-A-B, cab. C-A-B, cab. D-A-B, dab. D-A-B, dab. L-A-B, lab. L-A-B, lab. And X-words. W-A-X, wax. F-A-X, fax. W-A-X, wax. F-A-X, fax. And these are the X words. Now as words. G-A-S, gas. G-A-S, gas. Okay. All of you every day read page number 4 and 5 for test. You have test on Saturday. Test on Saturday. Okay. Read the Two Shiny Eyes rhymes also. Okay children, I hope you understand. We will meet in the next class.